Welcome here, you all the students, to witness a very special day. We are glad about the light of the world and the goddess of knowledge, followed धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्
A sapling for today, a tree of tomorrow. I truly believe that sapling is a great symbol describing Now, I would like to request Sir to please pay tribute to Sir and respected teachers to pay tribute to Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Please, Sir. Sapling for today are trees for tomorrow. I truly believe that saplings are a great symbol which describe a teacher and student's relationship. Now, I would like to request Vinay ma'am and Sharma ma'am to please honor us with the sapling. Please, ma'am.
Lord Ganesh, God of wisdom, who is believed to be the carrier of good deeds and is worshipped before every new beginning. The rituals of worship Lord Ganesh before every important task is called Ganesh Vandana. Now I would like to call Miss Gauri Koparkar of class 12C on the stage for a fantabulous performance.
I would like you all to welcome her with a big round of applause.
September 5 is celebrated as Teachers' Day. When Bharat Ratna Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan took the office of the second President of India in 1962, his students approached him to seek permission to celebrate September 5 as a special day. Dr. Radha requested them to observe September 5 to recognize the contribution of our teachers which they have given to the society. According to him, teachers presents the past, reveals the present, and creates the future.
Now, I would like to call upon stage Devshi Raj of class 12 for her speech.
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, one of the finest scientists and most importantly, a great teacher of the country, said, "The purpose of education is to make good human beings with skills and expertise. Enlightened human beings can be created by teachers only." Good morning, everyone. This is Dev Sriraj. Today we are all here to celebrate Teachers' Day in the pursuit to honor our teachers for their everyday guidance to help us succeed in our paths. Firstly, I would love to extend my heartiest congratulations and gratitude to every teacher on the behalf of all the students for always being a guiding light and a ray of hope in our lives. We could have never stood where we are today. Thank you, teachers, for everything. Teachers' Day. It is celebrated on 5th of September. The date is chosen to honor one of the greatest educationists and scholar of the nation, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, born on 5th September 1888. Sir Radhakrishnan requested their students rather to celebrate his birthday, they must celebrate this day as Teachers' Day. Since 1962, this day is commemorated as Teachers' Day. Besides, Sir Radhakrishnan was also a renowned politician with high skills and was appointed as first Vice President and second President of the nation. However, 5th October is recognized as World Teachers' Day since 1994. The day glorifies the contribution of the teacher worldwide for their guidance and hard work in building the life of the students. Also, it tends to awareness in creating a healthy society. No matter what the situation is, they are the ones who stand in front of us like a shield to protect us from every situation. Teachers are the pillar of the society, building block of the nation's future, who inspire us to bring the best in ourselves and serve the country. Without teachers, there will be no lawyer, no doctor, no IAS officer, no researchers, and no astronauts as well. They support us and guide us to our path towards a brighter future. God understood our thirst for knowledge and our need to be led by someone more wiser. He needed a heart of compassion, of encouragement, and of patience. Someone who could accept the challenges regardless of the opposition. Someone who could see the potential and believe the best in us. So he made teachers. At last, I would once again like to thank all our teachers for modeling and shaping our lives and encouraging us to do even better in every step and achieve greater heights. I offer my heartfelt gratitude to my respected teachers who encouraged us in every aspect of our life, to always keep us motivated and mentored us as a friend. Wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much, Devshi, for your kind words.
आज हम सब यहाँ एकत्रित हुए हैं शिक्षक दिवस के अवसर पर। आज का दिन खास इसलिए होता है क्योंकि आज के दिन हम सब हमारे शिक्षकों को धन्यवाद करते हैं कि उन्होंने हमारे जीवन में इतना अच्छा कंट्रीब्यूशन किया और हम उनकी महत्वता को समझते और सबको समझाते हैं। तो आज आप सभी के समक्ष अब मैं बुलाना चाहूंगा गरिमा को उसकी एक कविता के साथ।
माननीय श्री मान प्राचार्य महोदय एवं समस्त शिक्षकगण को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आज मैं गरिमा यादव आपके समक्ष एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। हर प्रकार से नादान थे तुम, गीली मिट्टी के समान थे तुम। आकार देकर तुम्हें क्या बना दिया, आज अपने पैरों पर तुम्हें खड़ा कर दिया। हारे हुए इंसान के भीतर न टूटने वाली उम्मीद जगा दे। कर्म में इतने अच्छे कि ऐसे इंसान को भगवान मेरा गुरु बना दे। नहीं है कोई शब्द, कैसे करूं धन्यवाद। बस चाहिए हर पल आपका आशीर्वाद। हूँ जहाँ आज मैं उसी में है बड़ा योगदान। आप सबका जिन्होंने दिया मुझे इतना ज्ञान। आओ मिलकर इस शिक्षक दिवस के अवसर पर इन सभी महानुभवों का सत्कार करें। शत आयु या ज्ञान के सागर सारे ऐसे अनेक गुरुओं को प्रणाम बारंबार करें। जिसकी सफलता का पैमाना हमारा सफल हो जाना है, वही गुरु के वात्सल्य की सदृढ़ सशक्त परिभाषा है। हे गुरुवर, यदि कभी मैंने आपका अनादर किया तो क्षमा मांगती। आपके निर्मल निस्वार्थ स्वरूप को मानवता की परिभाषा मानती। अपना आशीष मेरे शीश पर सदैव रखना। भटक चुका हूँ इस चक्रव्यूह में, भटक चुके हैं इस चक्रव्यूह में, मैं आप ही को अपने रथ का सारथी मानता हूँ। गुरु वही जो जीना सिखा दे, आपसे अपनी पहचान करा दे। मुश्किलों से लड़कर आगे बढ़ जाओ तुम, वह तुम्हें इतना समझदार बना दे। तराश दे हीरे की तरह तुमको, तराश दे हीरे की तरह तुमको। दुनिया की रास्तों पर चलना सिखा दे, दुनिया की रास्तों पर चलना सिखा दे। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद गरिमा। जीवन ईश्वर देता है, लेकिन जिंदगी हमारे शिक्षक बनाते हैं। अब मैं मंच पर आमंत्रित करता हूं पंचम को कि वह आए और आप सबके लिए अपना हिंदी भाषण सुनाए। प्लीज तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट के साथ स्वागत करें।
गुरु बिन ज्ञान न होत है, गुरु बिन दिशा अनजान, गुरु बिन इंद्रिय न सधे, गुरु बिन बढ़े न शान। अर्थात गुरु के बिना ज्ञान का मिलना असंभव है। गुरु के बिना शिष्य अपनी दिशा का ज्ञान भी प्राप्त नहीं कर सकता। विद्यार्थी का अपने इंद्रियों पर नियंत्रण करना भी मुश्किल है, और इन सब के बिना मनुष्य समाज में कुछ भी नहीं है। गुरु शिष्य परंपरा भारतीय संस्कृति का एक अहम और पवित्र हिस्सा है। इसी पवित्रता को बनाए रखने के लिए इस मनोकामना के साथ मैं कंचन साहू, कक्षा 12वीं अ की छात्रा, आज शिक्षक दिवस पर इस शुभ अवसर पर मैं आप सबको हार्दिक बधाई देती हूँ। प्रतिवर्ष 5 सितंबर पूरे भारत में शिक्षक दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है, जो कि हमारे पहले उपराष्ट्रपति और दूसरे राष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन जी का जन्मदिन है। उन्होंने अपने जीवन के 40 वर्ष एक शिक्षक के रूप में शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में बड़ा योगदान दिया। हमारे माता पिता हमें जन्म देते हैं, वे हमारे पहले गुरु हैं, तो वही शिक्षक हमें सही और गलत का फर्क बताकर हमारे चरित्र का निर्माण करते हैं। जिस प्रकार पानी के बिना नदी का कोई महत्व नहीं होता, जिस प्रकार पानी के बिना नदी का कोई महत्व नहीं होता, वैसे ही गुरु के बिना हमारा जीवन अर्थहीन होता है। गुरु शिष्य का ज्ञान देता है, उस ज्ञान रूपी पंख के सहारे शिष्य सफलता के शिखर को चूमने में सफल होता है। जैसे कुम्हार घड़े को सुंदर बनाने के लिए गढ़कर उसमें खोट निकालता है, ठीक उसी प्रकार हमारे शिक्षक हमें तरह तरह से गढ़ते हैं और हमें खोट निकालते हैं। इसी संदर्भ में गुरु की महत्वता को वर्णित करते हुए कवि कबीरदास जी कहते हैं कि गुरु कुम्हार है, शिष्य कुंभ है। गुरु कुम्हार है, शिष्य कुंभ है, घड़ी घड़ी काटे खोट, अंतर हाथ पसारी के बाहर मारे चोट। आज कोरोना महामारी के चलते सभी स्कूल कॉलेजेस बंद थे, परंतु फिर भी शिक्षक ने हमें सहायता किया पढ़ाई में। परंतु उन्होंने इतना शिक्षा दिया हमें कि छात्रों के जीवन में आने वाली सभी चुनौतियों का सामना कर सके, वे तैयार हो सके, तो उन्हें प्रेरित किया। मैं सभी शिक्षकों को धन्यवाद करते हुए यह कहना चाहूंगी कि नहीं है शब्द कैसे करूं धन्यवाद, बस चाहिए हर पल आप सबका आशीर्वाद। हूँ जहाँ आज मैं, आप सबका है वही मुझ में इतना ज्ञान। आपने बनाया मुझे इस योग्य कि प्राप्त करूं मैं अपना लक्ष्य। दिया है हर पल आपने सहारा, जब भी मुझे लगा मैं हारा। करती हूँ दिल से आप सबका सम्मान, आप सबको मेरा शत शत प्रणाम, शत शत प्रणाम। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद कंचन, हमें अच्छा लगा आपको सुनकर।
अब मैं बुलाना चाहूंगा अपनी शिक्षिकाओं को उनके परफॉर्मेंस के लिए। टीचर्स फॉर सॉन्ग। Everyone, please have a huge round of applause for our teachers for their performance.
अपने आप को देखो, अपने आप को देखो।
A teacher takes a hand, opens a mind, and touches the heart. I would like to welcome my lovely teachers who are going to sing here in front of all of us.
Once again, I would like you all to please give a huge round of applause for all our teachers.
मैडम ऑन करिए
देवा श्री गणेश वो संतोष सर का फेवरेट
पूरा तो घुमा के रखा हुआ है आपकी तरफ। देखो ना अपने आप को।
हमारे सीनियर टीचर जूनियर टीचर सब आ जाते तो हमारा भी साइड हो
जाता है। गणपती बाप्पा
Thank you so much, teachers, for your energetic performance. Dear teachers, we have a special element in this event, and it's a self-composed poem by Miss Reena ma'am. Ma'am, please.
You have a huge round of applause for you.
Respected principal sir and teachers और प्यारे बच्चों, आप सभी को टीचर्स डे की शुभकामनाएं और आपके सामने एक छोटी सी कविता, ठीक है? सत्य का मार्ग और प्रेम की ज्योति, सत्य का मार्ग और प्रेम की ज्योति, निराशा मिट जहाँ आशा होती, संस्कारी समाज बनता है वहाँ जहाँ शिक्षक की पूर्ण भागीदारी होती। गुरु शिष्य की रीत यह प्यारी, युगों से चली आ रही है न्यारी। इस रीत को हमें निभाना होगा, संस्कारी समाज बनाना होगा। विज्ञान की इस नई दुनिया में गुरु भी बदले, शिष्य भी बदले। इस पढ़ने पढ़ाने की विधि में ज्ञान की हर शाखा बदले। ये बदलती दुनिया और बदलते लोग, हमें सही बदलाव इनमें लाना होगा। इस धरती के हर एक जन में ज्ञान का सत्य प्रकाश फैलाना होगा। है यह विनती हर माता पिता से, उन्हें शिक्षक का साथ निभाना होगा। घर ही पहली पाठशाला, उन्हें इस नींव को ठोस बनाना होगा। भविष्य ये सारे इस दुनिया के, इनका भविष्य उज्जवल बनाना होगा। जहाँ शिक्षा का मूल अर्थ सीखना और सिखाना, समझाना होगा। आज फिर से अब हमें इतिहास वही दोहराना होगा, जहाँ हर शिक्षक में गुरु द्रोणाचार्य और हर छात्र में अर्जुन लाना होगा। और इसके लिए प्रथम कदम प्रेम से हमें बढ़ाना होगा, जहाँ शिक्षा व्यवसाय नहीं, ज्ञान का महा खजाना होगा। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, Reena ma'am.
And all our teachers for their energetic performance.
किसी ने सही में कहा है, शिक्षक और छात्र के बीच सिर्फ किताब के पन्ने नहीं होते, इन पन्नों में जिंदगियां बसती हैं।
Teachers, now we have Ritika with a wonderful message for you all. Please welcome her.
Please give a big round of applause.
Om Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Happy Teachers Day to all the wonderful teachers present here. I'm K. Lakshmi Ritika from class 12 presenting today my feelings for you all. First of all, a big thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak today. So, when we started in the school, we thought this day would be so far away. But now, today, when we are here, we realize time has passed so quickly. Through your encouragement and guidance, we feel we are ready for tomorrow's challenges. Thank you is the word which we would speak numerous times to you all, but then also it's less because your impact is so big in our lives. We salute your passion, dedication, commitments, and contributions. It is the teacher who sees a statue in the block of stone, who identifies a spark in a child and turns it into fire. And surely a student is a bank where you deposit all your precious treasures. Teachers' Day reminds us of all the responsibilities and commitments towards shaping the future generations and making the country advance and develop for the welfare of our society. Teaching is the mother of all professions. I think we students may forget what the books taught us, but we'll never forget what your experiences and your guidance taught. As shadow never vanishes from the student's life till the sun is, as shadow never vanishes from the life till the sun is, similarly, a good teacher's impact never vanishes from the student's life. Thank you for being our light and shadow, and thank you for sharing your experiences with us so that we can learn so many things in our future. My mind is still recalling those silly questions which we all asked during our school life, that small silly questions. But being my last year, it is making me emotional to speak like this in front of you all, yet grateful. I may not say this every time, but your inspirational words are like beautiful footprints which have been etched in my life, in our lives and mine forever. A survey showed that many teachers are facing problems during their online teachings because of bad weather or poor network or something like students bullying them, which is very bad. But still you all are coming up with new ideas every day and teaching us with the same enthusiasm which I appreciate, which we all appreciate, and thank you, a big thank you for that. It is rightly said that better than 1,000 days of diligent study is one day with a great teacher. We are missing those teachers who have been an integral part but not with us now. We wish they would have been here today celebrating with us, but unfortunately. So I pray for the safety and prosperity of all the teachers present here, and from all of us a big thank you. Actually this is a very small word for you all, but thank you. You all are the best and we love you. Thank you.
I truly believe that this was a message from every single student of our class, everyone in the school.
One tree can start a forest. One word can frame a goal. One candle can wipe out the darkness. A true leader has the confidence to stand alone. Now I would like to call upon the stage the person who has consumed himself to change the society and light the darkness in the life of we children. Our Honorable Deputy Regional Officer and our loving Principal Sir, Shri Prashant Kumar Sir, to spread the fragrance of knowledge amongst us. So please.
Thank you, everybody. First of all, I must wish you all a happy Teachers' Day. But when I say anything and I focus on this special day, I just want to share a paper clipping what I was going through about 2-3 years back. It was mentioned that in the country Yemen, there is the system of king, and the very feature of that country is that the king himself never goes to welcome the guests or the you can say the country head at the airport. It never happened, except that particular incident. It was the time when our great leader, if I'm not forgetting the name, he was Shankar Dayal Sharma ji. He was once visiting that country, and it was surprising on that day that the king of Yemen was there on the airport to receive him. When the plane reached there, it was not so that he waited there to receive Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma ji. Rather, he himself went inside the plane, received Sharma Sahab, brought him down, and that was not the end. When he found that so many 5 or 6 four-wheelers were there to take him or take all other guests to the venue, that king of Yemen instructed the chauffeur of one vehicle to move out. He took the charge of a driver and then drove the vehicle in which Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma was sitting to the venue. It was against the protocol of that country. After all the formalities, when the time came of the press briefing, the press persons started asking the king that why did you do so? It was a protocol established by your forefathers and you have broken it for simply a person coming from India. They don't know. Don't have this impression that a king went to receive Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma ji. It was not the king who went inside the plane and received Sharma Sahab and drove the vehicle to the venue. rather it was a student. Then he narrated that once upon a time he was taking education at one of the university in Pune, and Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma Sahab was a teacher of him. So it was his respect to a teacher that you see that what sort of humbleness one earns by seeing his teacher. That imprints on the personality of every individual. The teachers never expect anything except to give and give. Now it depends on the children how they are going to return the same. But you cannot say that this thing is deserved by every teacher. You can see the three words over there. Shikshak, शिखर तक ले जाने वाला, अक्षर क्षमा करने वाला, and कमजोरी दूर करने वाला. These three words are the letters, you can say, carry so many meanings. And those who stand to these expectations are really the person who deserves salute from everyone, from each of the members of the society. And they are the person whom the society look at for future guidance. This is called Shiksha. And this is the true respect to this day, the Teachers' Day, when Dr. Radha Krishnan Sahab, we paid homage to him. He belonged to an agricultural family. His father was an agriculturist. He completed all his education. So many good books he has written on Hindu mythology, on Hinduism. Because normally we say that Hindu is a religion. No. He only has interpreted that it is not a religion, rather it is a way of life. How to lead a better life. That is what Hinduism is, and that is what he wrote in his book. So when he became the president, he was asked, "Sir, we want to celebrate your birthday." He never wanted to be brought to the people in such a manner that he is something different. He told, "No, I won't accept. My birthday, I am simple and a citizen of this country. So many people are there. So why should you want to celebrate my birthday? Since I reached from, I belong to a cultural family and reached to the stage of the president as the first citizen of the country. For this reason you want? No, I won't agree. But if at all you are interested, then you just celebrate this day in the memory of all those persons who made me like that I am holding the post of the president of this great nation. And so, his birthday is not celebrated in the name of the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, rather it is celebrated in the name of Teachers' Day. That is a respect, a true respect to all those who blended his personality, who made him a citizen who can reach to such height of the position of in a country. So this is all about teachers, you can see. Yes, but don't forget that in this world, the nature is the best teacher. Nobody is above the nature. It gives us so many lessons. Whenever we deny to accept its existence, then we must be ready to face all such things what recently happened in the world. This is what happening. So that's why you can see in our society, mother is having such a high respect. They are called as the first teacher in the life of every child. Why it is so? Because she always ready to give. She never, you can say blame, she never punish. She never does so. Rather she ignores the misdeed of their children. But it doesn't mean that the two children have got the right to misbehave with the mother. Remember, when we talk about education, we must know the difference. We always say that we have such a high literacy rate. Everywhere you can find that, okay, if you want to judge the society, everybody says that, okay, what's the literacy rate of your country? What's the literacy rate in your religion, in your community? Such type of things is asked. Do you know what is literacy? Literacy is simply having knowledge of the subjects. But every time one thing is missing. And that is when it added with that, then the person is considered a committed person, a responsible person. You can understand, and the bio teachers can explain about that, what's the importance of vitamin C in the body. So this vitamin C is missing with the literacy word. If you add this vitamin C to this literacy, then a person becomes educated. That C is the character. So when the literate person has the character, is called educated. And we always prefer educated person, not a literate person. Because an educated person only can take the society ahead, not a literate person only. So this is what we teachers are doing. We are not simply giving knowledge to the children, rather we are educating them. We are influencing their personality. We are giving them knowledge, and at the same time, the character building also takes place in the school campus, which makes them a good and responsible citizen of the country. And the people every time look at them, that how they are going to lead this country. So every time the future depends on them, how we are going to mold their character, how we are going to mold their personality for the betterment of the society, for the betterment of tomorrow's society. So such a big responsibilities we have. What CX was telling, thank you every time. And she just did not find a word by which she can express her feeling for the teachers. But this thank you word itself carries so many meanings. It is only the feeling what she wanted to express. And sometimes words fail to express oneself. It is only keeping mum and simply looking at the authority, at the persons with such a high respect and you can say with all such gratitude also, high gratitude also, when you look at the person. So what she wanted to do, but her words, these two thank you, carried so many meanings, and it was a real gratitude towards the teachers. Now at the end, but I must express that one also, otherwise it won't be complete. The teachers, when they came on the stage, yes, It shows that our teachers are multi-talented. It is not so that they are only the subject teachers, rather they are multi-talented persons. And they simply wait for an opportunity. That was it. And really, when I was sitting there and listening to them and watching their performance, I just thought that why not we should give an opportunity to them also. Let us have one day celebrate or complete celebration and get together of the teachers. Let everybody come forward and whatever he or she has the talent other than the subject knowledge. It is also that you come on the stage and start teaching the subject. Like Santosh, what he said, how can you use this 5 fingers in the mathematical term? That he is starting. So no, that is not the thing. We will certainly wait for that day when we are going to have such type of celebration in the school campus, and that will be with the family members, every family member. That is. So that we can also have one day when we can express our hidden talent also. Let everybody know that yes, I am not simple a teacher of a particular subject, that I also have some other qualities, some other talent that I am coming with the same before you. So teachers, yes, the children are there. Dance really was wonderful. What Madam has made that one and self-composed poem. Really, that was very good. Just that also, they also have spoken very nice. Yes, children, that you remember, yesterday only it was the EE degree workshop, and it was told by one of the principal or ARO of this zone. He narrated very well the concept of the mother teacher. उन्होंने ये कहा कि साहब की मदर टीचर क्यों कहा गया? एक माँ है, वो माँ गुस्साती है, मारती नहीं है, उलाहना दे देती है, लेकिन वो चोट पहुंचाती नहीं है। वही मदर जब टीचर के वही क्वालिटी ऑफ ए मदर इज रिक्वायर्ड इन अ टीचर हु डील्स विद द चिल्ड्रन ऑफ नर्सरी टू क्लास 2। ये चीज चाहिए उस टीचर में। तो हम सभी टीचर जो हैं, इन सभी में ये क्वालिटी होनी चाहिए कि ये सारे जो बच्चे हैं हमारे बच्चे हैं। Yes, whatever reservations we are having, लेकिन हमारे मुंह से, क्योंकि कहा गया कि नेचर कभी भी किसी को कुछ गलत नहीं देता, ये हम हैं कि गलत उसका यूज करते हैं। आज अगर हम ये बोलें कि कोरोना वायरस का कारण नेचर का इनप्रोपोर्शनेट यूज और इलॉजिकल कटिंग जो हमारे ट्रीज का हुआ, उसका एक बहुत बड़ा कारण था ये भी। तो जो हम माँ हैं, हम तो कभी दुर्भावना रखते ही नहीं हैं बच्चों के लिए, गलत सोच आती ही नहीं है हमारे मन में। हम सिर्फ देने के लिए ही इस धरती पर आए हैं, लेने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं। ये इन बच्चों पर निर्भर करता है कि वो किस रूप में उसको रिटर्न करते हैं। क्या वो यमन का राजा जिस रूप में रिटर्न किया, कैन एनीबॉडी रिटर्न दैट? दिस इज अ ट्रू रिस्पेक्ट टू अ टीचर, दैट इज अ ट्रू गिफ्ट टू अ टीचर। So I expect from my students that you remember this thing, and whenever you meet these teachers of whatever age you have, or whatever is the physical condition of the teachers, you won't forget them, because they have made you like that, on whom your parents and the society feel proud. Thank you. Thank you.
impressive speech. And personally, I am going to miss all these things. And this is the last year of our school. We are in class 12, and we are really very emotional at this stage, and we are really will be missing all these things. Thank you so much.
We are going to give you that opportunity also, where you can be more emotional than today. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Sir, please, now we would like to request you to honor our teachers. Please, sir. May I have the opportunity to call teachers on the stage, please? Ms. Vijay Kumar ma'am, Barik sir, Barik sir, Mangal Sarvan sir, Sunitha ma'am, Nayak sir, Santosh sir, Teja sir, Sharma sir, Mamta ma'am, Manisha ma'am, Sandhu ma'am,
Mrs. Vinita ma'am, Mrs. Preeti Bhatt ma'am,
Patel sir, Aparna Majumdar ma'am, Cheta Khanna ma'am, Ji ma'am, Ruchi ma'am, Ruchi Mati ma'am, Sahu sir, Smita Das ma'am,
Ranju Reddy ma'am, Sangeeta Singh ma'am, Sandhya ma'am, Samriddhi ma'am, Sheeta ma'am, Sushma ma'am, Anjana ma'am, Kapil sir, Anurag sir, Lakshmi ma'am,
Ruchi Priya ma'am, Ajay Sharma sir, Nasreen ma'am, Neetu ma'am, Smita ma'am, Reena ma'am, Gagri ma'am, Indrani ma'am, Narendra Kaur ma'am, Reema ma'am,
Nazia ma'am, Niharika ma'am, Satwan ma'am, Shahnaz ma'am. Vijay Lakshmi ma'am. Vaidehi ma'am. Nidhi ma'am. Archana ma'am. Meenakshi ma'am. Vikram sir.
मालिक सर आज पूरा टैलेंट दिखा रहे हैं।
Manusha ma'am.
वही जा रहा है उससे
रुचि जैन मैम, मुन्नी मैम, अनीता मैम, भाविका मैम,
एक्चुअली सोच रहे कि मुझे मौका नहीं मिल रहा डांस करने का।
ऋचा मैम, भारती मैम, रीना मैम, माधुरी मैम, यास्मीन मैम, प्रसन्नजीत सर,
Sunita ma'am.
नहीं नहीं मेरे पास निकल
Sonali ma'am. Pragya ma'am. Swami ma'am. Sandhya ma'am. Ashutosh sir. Lali ma'am. Manushree ma'am. Kajal ma'am.
जया चौबे मैम, एडवांस सर, तबस्सुम मैम, तेज सर, मीनाक्षी मैम, नेहा मैम, आशी मैम,
Miss Priya ma'am.
जान में लाइक
Kalpana ma'am. Jagdish sir. Richa ma'am. Kokila ma'am. Sindhu ma'am. Sindhu Mishra ma'am.
देखो सिनेमा ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆಯ್ತು
Thanks, sir, for doing honors to our teachers. Now, may I request Madam Vijaya Kumar and Madam Manju Sharma to supervise the heads. Also, the staff secretary, Shri T. Kocha, sir, for honoring our respected principal, sir. All the students who will be staying here for a small refreshment, okay, please don't go home. Now, Mayor, okay? Thank you, sir, for honoring the teachers. Thank you, the teachers, for honoring us, sir. And now, may I request sir, was honored. For the positive learning environment which sets a goal for our students as well as the teachers. Now, may I request Madam Tabassum to please sing a song for us. It's a demand from our side, please.
We have a new round of applause for Tabassum ma'am.
A very warm good morning to everyone. Good morning, sir, and happy Teachers' Day. Once I was thinking that teachers कैसे professional से दूसरे professional से different है. Because if you will see और अगर आप observe करेंगे, then definitely you will see that to get the higher destination. But teachers, they used to feel proud when they see their student at the high position. So that is the basic difference. Being proud that we are teachers. But during this pandemic, definitely we lost a lot of people. And last time, we all had the virtual one. But by the grace of God, we all are here. We all are celebrating together. We thank to God. But definitely, as sir said, nature plays a vital role and will make us understand and learn many things. So for that, one song is there. रब से दुआ मांगे जीवन में मांगे हालात
Once again, happy Teachers Day to everyone. And you're going to have done great. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
The stage is open for you all now. If any of you want, sorry, if any of you want to do anything, sing or whatever you want, the stage is open for you. Welcome you. If any of you voluntarily want to do anything, please come. Anyone? Anyone? No? Shall we proceed? Shall we proceed?
Okay, so we all know that we friends pandemic and we have came over it also, and we have opted the online teaching, and I know that many of you and many of us have faced many difficulties in opting that mode. So I would like to thank all of you, all teachers especially, that you have did a very good thing, and I would like to thank all of you. Thank you so much. A big round of applause for you teachers.
Really everyone, like इतनी दिक्कतों इतनी रुकावटों के बाद नेटवर्क बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं था उस समय हमारा इंडिया के पास उतनी फैसिलिटीज नहीं थी और टीचर के पास उतनी फैसिलिटीज नहीं थी, एकदम लॉकडाउन नहीं हो पा रहा था मैं, लेकिन फिर भी आप सब ने पढ़ाई नहीं रोकी, हम सबकी पढ़ाई चली। थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन, थैंक यू सो मच। The essence of truth is always tested at the last. I hope that our facilitators have enjoyed today's program and your presence made this day a memorable day. Now, I would like to call Aman Gupta on the stage for the word of thanks.
Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers, non-teaching staff and my classmates. This is Aman Gupta of class 12A standing before you all to thank each and every one of you for coming and making this a successful event. Firstly, I would like to thank Sri Prashant Kumar sir, Deputy Regional Officer, CG Zone, for coming and gracing the occasion with his presence. Thank you sir. Next, I would like to thank all of our teachers who attended this program, making it successful. It feels beautiful for us to see all our teachers who have taught us in different phases of our school lifetime assembled at the same place. Thank you so much teachers for blessing and inspiring us in our school lifetime. Thank you teachers. Also, I would like to apologize if anywhere we went wrong or hurt anyone. I would like to express my gratitude towards non-teaching staff who helped and supported us very well in decoration and other arrangements. Lastly, I would like to thank all of my friends, classmates who helped me to organize this event in every way possible. There were many people working at the back end of the event. I would also very importantly thank all our parents who let us come to the school amid this pandemic situation and permitted us to take part in it. That's all. Thank you so much everyone.
Now, I would like to request you all to stand for Shanti Point.
please get ready for Shanti part. 1, 2, 3, start.
शांति अंतरिक्ष शांति पृथ्वी शांतिरापः शांतिरोषधयः शांति वनस्पतयः शांति विश्वे देवाः शांति ब्रह्म शांति सर्वं शांति शांतिरेव शांति क्षमा शांतिरेधि ओम शांति 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 बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप सबका। आप सब यहाँ पे आए और सर आपने इस कार्यक्रम को सक्सेसफुल बनाया। आप सब